Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable light performance mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus smartphone. To do that, we're gonna have to open settings on this device and then scroll down to device care menu right here. Open it, then scroll down to performance profile, and it's right here under the performance category, and here we can choose between standard and light performance. So if you select light performance, it will prioritize the battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed, which will not affect your games. So if you switch to light mode, you will prolong your battery life in one simple tap, and in standard mode everything will be working as usual. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.